Hey guys, I'm going to do question number 8 and question number 16 from the August 2002 Regents exam. I don't need the calculator for this one, but this one, both of these questions are very similar. So that's why I combined them into this one video. So let me bring this up to make sure you can see it. Question number 8 says, what is the constant term of the polynomial 4d plus 6 plus 3d squared? So this is a polynomial. It has 3 terms, and basically they want to know what's the constant. So this is a pretty simple question if you know what constants are. But one of the things that I want to just make sure you understand is if we want to put this in standard form, all that means is we're going to take the highest exponent first, and then we're going to take the next exponent, which would be the 4d, and then we're going to take the constant plus 6. So this is the leading coefficient, the 3. This is the coefficient of the linear term, and the constant is plus 6. And the way that you understand that is we can put something in, we can store a number in for d, and it would change the value of this term. But this term is always going to be 6 no matter what. It never changes. These terms will change depending on what we put in for d. So they're not constant, they vary because of the variable. But this plus 6 will always be constant. So that's the answer. Pretty simple. All right, now I'm going to go over to 16. Let's see here. 16 is right here. All right, so let me get this one up on the screen a little better. So this one says, when 3x squared plus 7x minus 6 plus 2x to the third power is written in standard form, the leading coefficient is. Now, in order to know what the leading coefficient is, you have to get this in standard form first. So first thing you do, and the way that I've taught this is you always look at the exponents, and the highest exponent is like the oldest child, and they go first. So it's going to be 2x third, and then the next thing is going to be plus 3x squared, and then we have plus 7x to the first power. Even though it doesn't have a 1, you should know that there is a 1 there, and then we have the constant, minus 6. So they want to know the leading coefficient, so the leading coefficient is the first number in front. So the leading coefficient is 2. That's it. That's what you have for these. So both of those questions were very similar. And if you understand how to put something into standard form, that would have been an easy 2 points or 4 points. All right, so now here we go. We are now going to go. I want to show you one more thing before I end this video. Let's see here. Okay, so I am going to put this up on the screen. Let me make this a little bigger. So the first 2 we did, those were taken from the August Regents. This is taken from another Regents, but I want you to see this as well. All right, so let me make this a little larger. Yeah, so if you look at question number 3, it says an expression of the 5th degree is written with a leading coefficient of 7 and a constant of 6. Which expression is correctly written for these conditions? All right, so first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take all of these answer choices, and if they're not already in standard form, I'm going to put them in standard form. All right, this one has 5, 4, and then constant. So this one is already in standard form. This one is also in standard form, so we don't have to change anything. This one is in standard form, and they're all in standard form. So what they're saying is, which one of these has the highest exponent with a 5, and the leading coefficient is 7? Okay, so this one has the highest exponent is a 5. So, but the coefficient, the leading coefficient is not a 7, it's actually 6. So it's not this one. All right, this one, the degree of this expression is 6 because the highest exponent is 6. So this one doesn't work. The degree of this expression or polynomial is 7 because the highest exponent is 7, the leading coefficient is 6, and so this one is not it. So this is our answer. So it has a fifth degree, which means the highest exponent is a 5, and that's true. And then it says the leading coefficient is 7, that's true. And it says it also has a constant of 6, which we see here, which is also true. So this is our answer, and that's how you do when they ask you about degree or standard form or constants or leading coefficients. That's all you have to do. Arrange them in order of exponents, the highest to the lowest, and then the coefficients go with those exponents, and then you just analyze what you need. All right, I am going to stop this. Bye.